Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be opening up a box of 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Chrome 5. 24 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Let's get right into it. I'm currently running a 72 box challenge. The challenge is get a 1 of 1. This is box number 59 out of 72. So let's see if we can get a 1 of 1. This is our first refractor. We'll be getting 8 of those in the box. Oh, looks like we got our first hit. Looks like a green wave. Tagged Ted. Numbered 94 out of 299. Good old Tag Tad. Got our second refractor there. So those of you following along with the challenge, box 59, what do we have? 13 more to go. Plus, I'm sure you've heard the announcement, but I did also get a case of blasters. So we'll see. Those odds aren't nearly as good for SUPERFRACTORs or printing plates, I'm sure, but they should be something different, something fun to open. I'm thinking of, since I think there's 40 boxes in the case, I'm thinking of maybe doing 4 boxes. I think it's probably 6, maybe 8 packs. I'm not sure. I think it's actually 6 packs per box. So if I do 4 boxes, that would be, oh, here we are. We got another hit. Looks like a yellow wave. Those are good looking. Got a green and a yellow wave. Number 217 of 275. So we'll see what those do. I'm gonna probably start that after box 60. I'll start doing those. I'm thinking maybe 4 boxes. Look at that. Did I get both the same? Oh no, the A and the B version. Okay. And then we'll finish off with the last 12 boxes of the 72 box challenge. I think that'll be pretty neat. I really destroyed that pack. Holy cow. All right, that's our 5th refractor. upside down card there. Flip those two around. Another upside down. Just one. There's our 6th refractor. We'll be getting 2 more. I got 4 packs left here. Looks like we're getting refractor number 7, yep. Should be getting our 8th and final refractor here. Oh, look at that. This is a 3-hit box. There we are. Very nice. It's a prism refractor. Should be numbered out of 199. It is 113 out of 199. Very nice. That's the rest of that pack. We have 2 more packs. Pack of box number 59. Looks like we got 8th refractor. Very nice. Here's the base cards. 8 refractors. And 3 hits. Very nice. We got a green wave, number 94 of 299. A yellow wave, if I can get it, number 217 of 275. And our hit of the box, we're at the very end, a prism, 207B, numbered 113 out of 199. Well, nice 3-hit box. Love those 3-hit boxes when they come. Thanks so much for watching. Join me tomorrow for box number 60, which will be the final box of case 5. We're getting there. We're getting to the end. Let's hope we get a, they're saving the best for last in this case. Thanks so much for watching.